Hi, and welcome back to Catastrophic Science. I hope everybody is healthy and safe, and I just wanted to let you know that I miss all of you. A quick reminder that we are on the unit Chemical Weapons. We've already done a couple of the assignments on that unit already, but everything that we are going to be doing this week is posted on the syllabus. If you have any questions about how any of this is working, please email me, steve.hippenmeyer@ketteringschools.org. I will be sitting at the computer from 9 to 10:30 every morning, Monday through Friday. If you're not up by then, just email me with questions whenever you wake up and get going on the stuff, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, I miss all of you. I'm excited for when we get back into the classroom, but for now, there's plenty to do on Google Classroom. So have fun doing it. No stressing. We'll get through this together. Have a great day.